Copywriting refers to the process of creating written content with the purpose of promoting or advertising a product, service, or idea. It involves crafting persuasive and compelling messages that can grab the attention of the audience and motivate them to take action. Copywriters use their writing skills and creativity to craft content that resonates with the target audience, conveys a clear message, and meets the objectives of the client. This may involve writing product descriptions, creating headlines, developing taglines, or writing ad copy for various mediums like print, radio, television, or digital platforms. The goal of copywriting is to persuade and convince the audience to make a purchase, subscribe to a service, or support a cause. Copywriting can be an effective marketing tool if done correctly. The ability to write well and understand the audience's needs and motivations is essential for successful copywriting. The copywriter must also understand the product, the competition, and the target market to create content that resonates and motivates action.